Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be filming the elevators at Mandai Rainforest Resort by Banyan Tree. These are some Schindler 5000 lifts. I'm not sure if they are MRL or MR. Let's go down to basement 1. Here we are at basement 1.
Door opening.
It's very quiet because it's at night. These lifts are usually crowded during the day, so this is like a nice time to film.
Elevator is going up.
These buttons push like the Hitachi ones. As you can see, this is a scenic lift. If it's daytime, you can actually see the nature.
Door closing.
Don't leave me. Yeah, it's not gonna go anywhere because no one's gonna call it because it's nighttime.
Elevator
One,
is
B1.
going down. Door closing.
4H function room and meeting rooms. Let's try looking outside. Ah, there's the other lift.
Basement 1.
Here we are, basement 1.
Door opening. Door closing.
A nice firm close. Oh wait, someone called it. It's just got one.
Door 1. Door opening.
So here's the lobby. It's very nature-like. Some nature around here. And then we have this is other lift lobbies. This nice room area. Let's wait for the other lift.
Elevator is going up. Door closing. Door opening.
Here it is. I actually prefer this LED
Elevator
indicator rather than this
door
digital screen indicator. Let's take a look at the cab interior.
basement 1.
Some glass.
Door
There's a mirror here. Doors. 5.
door closing.
The buttons are only a little bit pushy. I apologize if my footage is a bit blurry. So it's mainly a black painted interior. It looks very Hitachi-ish.
Floor 5.
Perfect to operate.
Door opening. Door closing.
Schindler 5000. Nice view outside. It's not enough light to see.
Basement 1.
Let's turn on the light. I still can't see anything.
Door opening.
Let's take a look at the doors.
Door closing.
I'm too short to reach up there. Just look at the bottom also. Yeah. It's relatively
Door
clean.
closing.
Very clean. Because this resort is pretty new. There's another lobby of lifts at the other side, but it's just the same thing, so I'm not gonna bother filming it. Okay, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try to synchronize both lifts. Let's test something. Ow, ow, ow. Never mind. Door close isn't that good. Let's try to synchronize both lifts. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call both. Oh, perfect. Okay. So maybe I should do it on one of the lower floors. Hello? Yeah, this thing is a bit slow to respond. Yeah, this floor is unoccupied. Because up there's people. Yeah, someone went into it. It's nice design floor. There goes another lift. It's, this door mechanism is a bit weird. For some reason, it reopens. Hello? It's a bit slow, but the leveling is fine. Leveling is intelligent. It's not pre-door, but it's intelligent leveling. Okay, here we have both lifts, and I'm gonna try bringing them up to 5 at the same time. Okay, let's try this. Well, if it reopens. Yes. No, the other lift is too slow. Oh, it's still a bit synchronized. So you can see it like arrive. My camera is so laggy right now. Oh, wait. Let's ride the other lift now. Bye bye. Say bye to the other lift. It's a very nice scenic lift.
Basement 1. Door opening. Door closing.
Let's take one final ride. And let's look out the window.
Floor 5. Door opening. Door closing.
My camera's not focusing. Overall, these lifts are very luxurious. They're very nice. Excellent for hotels.
Basement 1.
I'm not sure if it's a MR or MRL though.
Door
Send it up to 5. My camera keeps
elevator
lagging.
is going up.
This camera sucks.
Closing.
Sorry for the bad footage, guys. Bye. See you later, Schindler.